How to buy crypto AI token. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. Before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now also there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money in on crypto with the best referral code. Simply as it goes below. Fund your account, enjoy the benefits, check them out in the description. Now before going on by this token, make sure to check the X account and keep following the updates about this token. As you can see, this token is available on the screener. It's created 7 hours ago and increased by 18,000% in the last 24 hours. This token also trending number 2 in the Solana section. Now I will show you how to buy this token. Now click here to copy the token address and open your funds wallet. For that, as you can see, after that click on swap and make sure that you have enough Solana on your wallet. Now click here and press toggle on this in the search bar. As you can see, this is our token. Now click on it and here you can type how much you want to buy, and this is how much you will be able to receive that token, as you can see here. And after that, click on pricing and click on provider. Now select to Jupiter. Now click on apply and go back, and here you will be able to see swap. Now click on it, and after that you will be able to redact to Jupiter provider page to complete the buy process. So this is how to buy crypto AI token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.